questions that I made up in 1 minute. Starting with you.
What question do you even want to ask me? What's the point?
First question.
Yeah, charming bit.
What do you like watching?
Wait, what?
What do you like watching in your life?
Little
Hi.
garden?
Huh?
Little garden?
You know there's no actually answer. You just just answer it.
Okay, just go.
Okay. You. Do you like what do you usually watch?
PVB tips and stuff, but they were mostly boring, so I just watched some.
What do you play?
I play Grow Garden and PVB, and I play Become a Deep Sea and Spa House. What about me?
What do you play?
Same with that guy, the one with the gray shirt, but without Deep Sea Explorer. So what's the question? What do you play? What do you play? Shark? Shark guy? I'm a shark. Sharp